Hi everyone, I'm Thelma. My channel is Seasonal Crafts and Creations. Welcome back. Welcome if you're new. Today I have a medium-sized Hobby Lobby haul. I hope everybody's doing well. If you have any comments about questions or anything about anything in this haul, just feel free to leave me a comment or any comment in general. And while you're here, don't forget to go over and check out my channel. I have every DIY haul and vlog, get ready with me. Every video I made is on there, and you can also find 2 short videos showing and letting you know the rules and how you will be notified if you're the winner of the 2 contests that I have going on. So be sure to check them out and ask me any questions if you have any. Okay, first on this Hobby Lobby haul, I'm going to show you this little gingerbread soap dispenser. And as you can see, it has a little chimney here, snow going around it, and it's all the way around. Now it is a little chipped right here. I'm going to have to take it back and exchange it. But that was just from the paper, I guess, not being thick enough. But I love it. It's just adorable. And you can see it works. So there's that one. And then these are Santa and Mrs. Claus nutcrackers. Look at them. They had 2 different Santas to choose from and 2 different Mrs. Claus to choose from. But look how adorable those are. Her holding her candy cane. He's holding his Christmas sack. And then moving right along, I want to show you these 2 ornaments of gingerbread chefs. I got those. And if you go while their sale is going on, like this week, all home decor and seasonal like that was 50% off. So one week they have a certain section of the store 50% off. Then the following, it switches back and forth. You just have to, if you're wanting to go to get home decor and Christmas stuff, you just have to call and ask them unless you live close enough to just drop in. Now back to the haul. There is a hot cocoa I just call these little spatulas, mixers. Well, I can't see anyway with my eyes being bad. I was going to look to tell you what it said. And then there's these 2 gingerbread little knickknacks. These were like $5, so they were $2.50 for the pack. And then there's this here. It's a 2-piece. You just slide it right down in there, and it's a hot cocoa little sign for your hot cocoa bar. And then I picked up this little gingerbread with candies. He's so cute. Look at that. In a little tin metal mug. And as you can see, it's decorated all the way around. And I picked up this gingerbread mug. Now these were 50% off too, so it was I think $4. It was around 8 something. But this I've never paid that much for a coffee mug before, but I had to. Look at all the gingerbread. They're just adorable. And then let's see, I already showed you these and that. And then there's this spatula rest. It says hot cocoa on it. And yeah, it's right there. Okay, let me slide them out of the way so they don't get broke. There's this little ornament, a little gnome holding presents, and he's all cloth. You can move his bend this hat around to, shape it whichever way you want. Then there's another one with a Christmas tree and a little scarf going around him. And it's the countdown. I think it's 24 right now. But you move the plastic off here and you just flip the blocks for the date. And then there's these three little ornaments. The string thing that held them together came off. But here's a gingerbread with a little scarf. And then here's another one with a little red hat too. And then the candy cane. Okay, I want to show you these dishcloths. They got wadded up. But here's one of them. And then here's another one with gingerbread going all around it. But I always wash everything before I use it anyway, so it doesn't matter that it got wrinkled in the bag. And here's an apron. It has a green adjustable strap around the neck and green tie at the waist, and has a little pocket, but it has gingerbread going all the way around it. And then there's these. Let me grab them up here and put them where I can grab them to show you. There's only a few more things. There's these two that go together. There was one more, but I didn't want it. There's this one, little gnome, and it has a plastic container where you can take the lid off and put whatever you want in it. There's this one, and then there's this one. And then, let's see, I have these two. There's this one with that type of, hang on, I got sidetracked. There's this one with the black and red fabric. My mind went blank. And then with the black and white. My mind went blank on what this fabric is called. After the video, I'll remember it. Okay, and the last three items are these smaller little containers, and they're plastic too. You just take them, put whatever you want in them. And they had a couple of other different, fabric designs. Buffalo, that's what this is called, yes. And then there's this one. And then there's this one. Yes, I got two different colors. I like getting the black and red and the red and white and put them together whenever I can. Well, that looks like that's it on today's Hobby Lobby haul. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell and select all so you won't miss any future uploads. And leave a comment. Let me know you entered into the contest, the two contests that I have going on, or any question at all that you may have. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.